Hello, it's me, Adam Iobst, 18 Realty LLC, and I'm reporting on the latest news and information here in the DC metro real estate market. Today is the middle of August. It's the 16th of August, and I'm going to be reporting on last month's numbers, July of 2010. Last month, the real estate market continued to slow. It's not easy for me to get excited about reporting about the market statistics here last month because they're just very slow, and it's not as exciting as it had been earlier this year. The absorption rate decreased a tick down to about 15%. That's a very strong buyer's market, so there's a lot of leverage on the buyer sides right now. There's a lot of inventory and less demand in the market that we're experiencing right now. Days on market, it takes about 2 months to sell a property, with short sales taking significantly longer than that. Resale properties or bank-owned properties typically sell for less, maybe 30 to 45 days. The number of sales have fallen off a cliff. We've decreased 27% compared to June. So I'll get into that a little bit more detail later and what that may mean for the market this year and into the fall and winter months. But the number of sales have really dropped off here since we lost the first-time homebuyer tax credit earlier this year. Sales prices in the meantime are still coming in for contracts that were written for that first-time homebuyer tax credit, or during that period of time where they're still eligible for that credit. So the result is we're still seeing the higher price points come in on contracts that were written months ago. So the average home prices, the home values in our area for the year have increased substantially. We've increased again just a little bit, 1% compared to the month prior, but it's still in the right direction, with home prices getting close to where they were even back in 2008. So we've recouped some losses that we've experienced in 2008 and 2009, but I'm concerned about properties dropping further here in the winter months here due to the lack of demand right now that we're experiencing. But I'll get into that in a little bit later. In a nutshell, I think the real estate market is flat. It's still a great time to buy. Interest rates are historically low, probably the lowest they've ever been since I've been in the business since 2003. So it's a great time to buy, but you have to show a lot of patience. Especially if you purchase one of these short sale opportunities. They do take a long time, depending on the particulars of the situation. It could be months. Now, that being said, there are some short sales that can sell a little bit faster, but in general, I would be prepared for a long turnaround on those short sale opportunities out there. All right, let's get into the numbers.